heat wave developing in the south, more storms for New South Wales, and of course, ex-tropical cyclone continues to bring a deluge to parts of Queensland. Let's start there because that's what's happening right now and over the next few days. We have this system which is going to be slowly migrating northwest parallel or near parallel to the Queensland coast Wednesday and into Thursday. As that happens, the heaviest of the rain will also shift on Thursday, rather from around the Mackay, Hamilton Island area up to around the Ayr, Townsville, Rollingston, and around that sort of Cardwell region as well. That's where we could see the flash flooding shift to on Thursday. And some totals there, including you in Townsville, could be in excess of 100 millimeters with very heavy rainfall rates. Good news on the balance, of course, but it's severe weather. You got to drive the conditions. Now, on Friday, the heaviest of the rain will then shift to tropical North Queensland and the Tablelands region. Very heavy totals here. And the remnants of the system, what you can't really see here, is actually going to push away from Queensland over the weekend, across the Gulf, and then to the Northern Territory's top end, where it may even reform in the Timor Sea or even in the Indian Ocean. So you can see a center of circulation there. That's what the remnants of Penny is doing. So you still got a little mid-level disturbance, which is pushing through, dragging moisture in the tropics with it. So what's that going to be doing? Well, that's causing the rain over this weekend to shift out of Queensland and head to the Northern Territory's top end, but it'll also bring a burst of heavy rain, potentially some of the heaviest rain we've seen all year for the top end on a widespread scale. And of course, for the Queensland tropics from Townsville up to around the Cooktown area, expect another 50 to 150 millimeters. Some areas potentially over the next 2 days getting over 200 millimeters of rainfall. In New South Wales, Wednesday through to Friday, more storms are coming through, but the most intense storms will be on Friday before easing this weekend. Now, taking a look at Thursday's rainfall forecast, we're going to be cloudy conditions for you in Wollongong, Sydney, and even Newcastle, and then storms in the afternoon across central areas. Bathurst, Orange, Dubbo areas at risk. But the more intense storms are on Friday. That's as this low-pressure trough in the interior deepens and we start to see moisture filter through and we get a storm setup which is similar to that of just a few days ago. Areas like Wagga Wagga, Canberra, and down to the Jervis Bay area are all at risk of seeing intense storms, bringing the risk of hail, maybe some flash flooding and damaging winds on Friday. And finally, we're going to see another heat wave hit parts of the interior and the south, including you in Adelaide just briefly there. 40-degree heat widespread across the south and interior and lasting a week or more for some areas. The air mass derives from inland parts of the country and is going to be shifted across more populated areas of Australia. For instance, you in Broken Hill starting this weekend having another run of days well above 40 degrees lasting for potentially a week or more.
And I just realised if it was three objects coming together to form one powerful object, that would be the symbol of the Deathly Hallows. That's not what I drew. It's almost the exact opposite. This is the triangle within the circle. The penny is the coin, is the circle. Here we have symbolised four objects when you think about it. And the central object is the triangle, surrounded by the circle. But there are four, 1, 2, 3, 4 objects coming together here, not just three.